here in Mexico City, Mexico. It seems like a short time ago we were in Jamaica with Zach, then in Sierra Leone, returned last week from London and from Nottingham, but God is moving here in Mexico.
We are seeing the folks walking in that door so excited to see what God is going to do. The family's back together. I love it when the family comes together, and we are excited to see what God has in store for all of us.
And you're a part of that miracle by praying, by standing with us. And remember, God is moving around the earth. Teen Challenge is at the cutting edge. Whether it's a Kush epidemic, whether it's cartels in Mexico, the gospel is the answer.
In this room.